Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about using the iPhone X's ultra wide lens. So I've been using it like non-stop. It's my go-to lens now whenever I use my iPhone for whenever I go out and take pictures. And of course, this weekend, of course, Thanksgiving weekend, I went out to this park and took a lot of cool pictures with just the ultra wide lens on the iPhone 11. And like I said, it's my go-to lens right now, and it is awesome. So I really like this lens. Before the iPhone 11, of course, on my iPhone XS, I would have brought the Moment wide lens to attach it to get those wide angle shots. But now, of course, I just use the built-in lens on the iPhone 11, and it's been really great. Now, of course, it is super limited as well, but hopefully in the future Apple will maybe release updates where they will give much more power to the ultra wide lens to it, so it cannot shoot raw in the ultra wide. Night mode does not work, so that's a bummer. So yeah, those are the two things that I really wish that Apple maybe included in the iPhone 11. But I don't know how limited the iPhone 11's ultra wide lens is with the software and everything. But like I said, hopefully maybe in the future Apple will hopefully maybe release an update in iOS 13 where it will give maybe night mode to the ultra wide lens, or even support for raw mode and all that fancy stuff. But like I said, I've been using the ultra wide lens for a while now, and it is, like I said, awesome. I love taking pictures of it. It's fantastic. I'll even show you some samples right now. It's one of my favorite lenses. Like I said, I just can't stop talking about it. It's fantastic. Of course, I use it mostly for landscapes, as you can see. A little bit of maybe architecture photography. I haven't played around with portrait yet. Hopefully, I want to try that soon. But yeah, mostly right now landscape, just because that's what I really like taking pictures of with the ultra wide lens. It is awesome. And yeah, if you guys haven't tried the ultra wide lens on the iPhone 11, or you guys are thinking about maybe buying it just for the ultra wide lens, I recommend you guys do. But also, like I said, it is super limited. You do get distortion, of course, on the side, which is normal for an ultra wide lens on a smartphone. But yeah, it's fantastic. And video, it's really great. I haven't played around with video too much with it yet. That's in the future project of mine. But right now, I just like taking pictures with it. It's my go-to lens. I use it on third-party apps that support it. So like on Spectre, I use it to take some cool kind of like smooth images, which I'll show you some cool samples about it. I use it, on every other camera app I have on Halide. And it's just awesome, this lens. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my thoughts of the iPhone 11 ultra wide lens. It's really great. It's fantastic. It is limited, of course, but maybe in the future Apple will release some updates to it. And that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.